friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I am gonna teach you how to make India's most famous sweet, which is known as Mathura-Style Peda.
Hello, but wait, there is no Mawa or any sugar syrup available here in Europe, particularly in Zagreb. Are you going to make it?
Wait, there is a twist. You know, when sometimes we crave for something sweet, but we don't want to spend hours in the kitchen.
Yes.
That's when this quick and easy recipe come to the rescue.
Really? What is it?
We only need few ingredients.
And?
So here they are. All we need is milk powder, powdered sugar, dry fruit, cardamom powder and milk. That's it. So without any delay, let's cook. So first we will add 2 tablespoons of ghee to a pan and heat it on a low flame. Now we will add 2 cups of milk powder to the pan and roast it slowly. Keep stirring it continuously until it turns light brown. Watch for low flame or else the milk powder mixture will start to stick on the pan. Also make sure that the mixture doesn't form any lumps. Now I will add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder when the milk powder mixture has turned into nice and beautiful brown color. Next, we will add milk little by little, mixing continuously to avoid any lumps. So, as you can see, the mixture has come together nicely and is well combined. Now, turn off the flame and let this mixture cool down completely at room temperature. Once it has cooled down, we can add powdered sugar as per your liking. Here I am adding half cup of powdered sugar in the mixture. And mix it well. Now I will take small portion of mixture and giving them shape into pedas. Like first make small dough ball and press it finely to shape it like cookies. And garnish it with dry fruits. Our quick and easy Mathura-style pedas are ready. No mawa, no sugar syrup, yet perfectly delicious. I hope you like this recipe. Try it at your home and let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.